Most investors missed out on NVIDIA's massive run. It went from being just another tech company to becoming one of the most dominant forces in the AI revolution. But here's the truth. The AI boom is far from over. Right now, there are still lesser-known companies positioning themselves to benefit from artificial intelligence in a big way. And in this video, I'm going to break down 3 AI stocks that could potentially explode in 2026, stocks that many retail investors are still overlooking. Before we continue, remember this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, cybersecurity, and even entertainment. Major companies are investing billions into AI infrastructure, and this creates opportunities not just for big names like NVIDIA or Microsoft, but also for smaller, fast-growing companies working behind the scenes. These are the companies that often experience the biggest percentage growth. The key is identifying them early. The first company on this list is Palantir. Palantir is a data analytics company that specializes in helping organizations make sense of massive amounts of data. What makes this company interesting is its strong connection to both government and commercial clients. They work with agencies like the U.S. Department of Defense, as well as major corporations. But here's where AI comes in. Palantir has been integrating artificial intelligence into its platforms, allowing users to make smarter and faster decisions based on real-time data. Their AI platform helps businesses automate processes and uncover insights that humans might miss. As demand for data-driven decision-making continues to grow, Palantir is positioned right in the middle of that trend. Another thing investors are watching is the company's improving profitability. For a long time, Palantir was criticized for not being consistently profitable, but recently that narrative has started to change. It's not without risk, but it is definitely a company worth keeping on your radar. Next up is C3.ai. This is one of the few companies that is entirely focused on artificial intelligence. C3.ai provides enterprise-level AI software that helps companies improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make better predictions. Their clients include large organizations in industries like energy, manufacturing, and defense. Because C3.ai is so closely tied to AI, its stock tends to move very quickly, both up and down. That means it is more volatile than many other stocks. But volatility also creates opportunity. When investor interest in AI increases, stocks like C3.ai often see strong momentum. The company is also expanding its partnerships and improving its product offerings. This is a higher-risk play, but it is also one that could deliver significant returns if AI adoption continues to grow. The third stock is AMD, also known as Advanced Micro Devices. Unlike the previous two, AMD is already a well-established company, but it is still considered a major player in the AI race. AMD designs high-performance chips used in everything from gaming to data centers, and now they are competing directly with NVIDIA in the AI hardware space. As demand for AI processing power increases, companies need powerful chips to run complex models, and this is where AMD comes in. They have been investing heavily in AI-focused technology and expanding their presence in data centers. If they continue gaining market share, especially against competitors, this could be a strong long-term growth story. AMD may not be as unknown as the other two, but it still has significant upside potential in the AI space. It is important to understand that investing in AI stocks is not risk-free. These companies can be volatile. Prices can rise quickly, but they can also drop just as fast. Market hype, earnings reports, and global economic conditions all play a role. That is why it is important to diversify and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. To quickly recap, the 3 AI stocks we talked about are Palantir, C3.ai, and AMD. Each of these companies has its own strengths and risks, but all of them are positioned to benefit from the continued growth of artificial intelligence. The real question is, which of these stocks will come out on top? And more importantly, whether you will be early enough to take advantage. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more stock insights and investment ideas.